What is up, YouTube? One thing you might realize about this video is I moved that clock clear across the room. Tools and trash, you know, I didn't want him to have any more nightmares of the tick tick. Funny enough, once he pointed that out in a live stream, it kind of got on my nerves. So now I myself am aware of it and have taken taking that into consideration, blah blah blah. Moved it across the room for this. Probably will try to do the same for live streams. Now, I just did a video on tools that I use at work or tools that I've just enjoyed using. Most of them were I bought within the last 2-3 years. The cold chisels and the Stanley Wonder Bar are probably about 8 or 10 years old. But other than that, everything else is pretty new. But I have a new tool haul today. I went to two places today. I went to Walmart. I picked up a new camera stand, which is what we're on now, and I can do stuff like this now. And I picked up some lighting. So I picked up one of these Hyper Tough, compact, you know, it's a tripod. You could put a floodlight on it. That was $20. I think just under 20. And then the other thing I bought was this light, which I think is pretty cool. It's a rechargeable floodlight. It has a place for the charger to go right there. That closes up. On the side, you could charge a USB from it. I'm pretty sure. I didn't read the instructions. And then you plug this in, right? And I could plug it in, but it even has a battery indicator. So it came with 2 bars charged, and now it's full. I really like it. This light was $50. It may have been like 45 or somewhere in the 40s. I don't feel like I paid $50 for it, but either way, it's 2,500 lumens. It's plastic. Everything that goes with it stores in it. It does set up on that stand, and you know, this is it. It's got legs on it. You can stand it up. It closes up kind of like a lunchbox. Got a little latch here, and you open it up. And you got 2 LEDs. I'm just going to, I don't want to blind you, but you know, we'll let them rip here. We got 1 setting. Then we got 2 setting. Back to 1. And then off. So, pretty cool. Kind of bought it to actually have to work. And also kind of use as a cordless lighting option to try and make better YouTube videos. So that's pretty much all I got from Walmart. I bought some under the cabinet lighting. They have LED ones. These are 24-inch linkable plug-in kind. Assembled in the USA. Same with their shop lights. The full LED ones assembled in the USA. I just want to throw that out there. I don't know if people knew that or not, but pretty cool, you know. I'm not someone that pushes USA made stuff on other people. I definitely do prefer to buy something that's mostly made in the US, but you know, it is what it is these days. Now moving on, I went up to Lowe's. I barely ever get up to Lowe's, and I did find that Work Pro is up there, and you know, their bottom shelf up there. Alright, so first up is this Craftsman. I believe it's got 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch drive accessories. Got the swivels. I think this is 3/8, 3/8. You got 1/2 inch to 3/8, probably 3/8 to 1/4. all these things, $20. I actually don't, I have extensions, but I don't have like swivels, and I lose these adapters all the time. So $20, there might be better options up there. Seems pretty decent, you know. For at home, I use Craftsman a lot and have not complained. This next one is an ABD, Audubon Dan. Shout out. I went up, saw one of these, and was like, I gotta have that. It's the 9-footer with the bottle opener. Pretty pumped to have that. I was going to buy a Craftsman. I think they have 2 tape measures for like $14, $15, $16, something like that. The one thing I like about Craftsman tape measures, and it seems for the most part, this is an older one that I have. For how old it is, I don't know the age. Made in the USA. What do you guys think? Maybe 80s or something like that. Can't really tell. This is the lock for it, but a lot of the Craftsman tape measures I've seen, that has a pretty nice end on it also. I like that design for how old this is. A lot of Craftsman blades are white. This is a 16-footer. This one is a little old 8-footer. I have white. Very nice and readable tape. That's how the new ones were. I wanted to try them out. Just couldn't justify the purchase today. I know I went on a little bit of a tangent there, but you know, that's pretty cool that it's white. It's not high vis, but it is high vis, you know? Like, that stands out pretty darn well when you're doing stuff, in my opinion. You know, old Stanley. Which one looks better? They're both pretty clear, but you know what I mean. Pretty cool, white, different. I'll shut up. Alright, moving on to the last 2 items. I got a pair of Cobalt heavy duty shears. I know I haven't taken any of these out of their containers, but I just got home, wanted to make this video. And, you know, since I haven't used them yet or anything, I'm just showing you. It's like show and tell, so it does not matter if it's out of the box. The one I am most excited for, because it relates to the last video I did, is they have this up there for $19.99. And that is a hammer and a crowbar. Kind of like the Wonder Bar, but I mean, I'll be honest with you, I bought it because that hammer looks fucking sexy. Same with the crowbar. You guys have seen my Craftsman hammers. They're pretty beat. But they're hammers. I mean, they'll keep going. Nothing wrong with them. I just wanted to try out the newest. You know, I believe, I don't think these are made in USA. It does not say. Taiwan. Made in Taiwan. My hammers are made in USA. So, wanted to give all this a try out. Same with the Hyper Tough Light. These, pretty excited for. Right off the bat, I can tell you the handle is not like the old ones. The old ones had like a very soft, good feel to them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe. Go check me out on Instagram. I would highly appreciate it. And as always, have a great rest of your weekend. Later.